Shoulders are crucial for a balanced physique and functional strength. Achieving that wide 3D look requires targeted exercises and proper training techniques. In this guide, we'll explore 3 essential exercises to help you build impressive shoulder width and definition. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, these exercises will take your shoulder development to the next level. Get ready to sculpt those shoulders and stand out in any crowd. Stick with us as we dive into the details and unleash the power of these exercises. Let's get started on your journey to broader, more defined shoulders. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information. And remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Exercise 1. Barbell overhead press. When it comes to building impressive shoulder strength and size, few exercises rival the effectiveness of the barbell overhead press. This classic compound movement targets the deltoids, triceps, and even engages your core for stability. To perform the barbell overhead press, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, grip the barbell just outside shoulder width, and press it overhead until your arms are fully extended. Lower the barbell back down to shoulder level with control, and repeat for the desired number of reps. Not only does the barbell overhead press help develop size and strength in the shoulders, but it also enhances shoulder stability and improves overall upper body pressing power. Variations such as the seated overhead press or using dumbbells can be incorporated to add variety to your routine and target different muscle fibers. Remember to start with a weight that allows you to maintain proper form throughout the movement. As you become more comfortable and stronger, gradually increase the weight while focusing on maintaining strict form. Incorporating the barbell overhead press into your routine will bring you one step closer to those wide, 3D shoulders you've been striving for. So grab that barbell and let's press our way to greatness. Exercise 2. Lateral raises. Lateral raises are a go-to exercise for targeting the medial deltoids, the muscles responsible for that rounded 3D shoulder look. This isolation exercise involves lifting weights out to the sides, away from your body, focusing the tension on your shoulders. To perform lateral raises, stand with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing your body. Keep a slight bend in your elbows and raise the weights out to your sides until they reach shoulder height. Lower the weights back down slowly and repeat. Lateral raises are excellent for honing in on the lateral head of the deltoids, which contributes significantly to shoulder width. They also help improve shoulder stability and can prevent imbalances between the front and rear delts. To intensify the exercise, try incorporating drop sets or slow, eccentric, lowering phases. Avoid swinging or using momentum to lift the weights, as this can reduce the effectiveness of the exercise and increase the risk of injury. Focus on maintaining strict form and feeling the tension in your shoulders throughout each repetition. Incorporate lateral raises into your shoulder workout routine to target the often neglected lateral deltoids and sculpt those sought-after 3D shoulders. With dedication and proper technique, you'll be well on your way to achieving broad, defined shoulders that turn heads everywhere you go. Exercise 3. Bent over rear delt raises. While many focus on the front and side deltoids, neglecting the rear delts can lead to imbalances and limit overall shoulder development. Bent over rear delt raises specifically target this area, helping to create that rounded 3D appearance from all angles. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Bend your knees slightly and hinge at the hips to lean forward, keeping your back flat and core engaged. Allow the dumbbells to hang beneath your shoulders with your arms straight. Lift the dumbbells out to the sides until they reach shoulder level, focusing on squeezing your rear delts at the top of the movement. Lower the weights back down with control and repeat. Bent over rear delt raises are crucial for balancing out shoulder development and improving posture by strengthening the muscles of the upper back. Incorporating this exercise into your routine can also help prevent shoulder injuries by addressing weaknesses in the rear deltoids. Maintain a slight bend in your elbows throughout the movement and avoid using momentum to swing the weights. Focus on engaging the rear delts to lift the weights rather than relying on other muscles. Start with lighter weights to master the movement and gradually increase the resistance as you become stronger. By including bent-over rear delt raises in your shoulder workout regimen, you'll ensure comprehensive development and achieve those coveted 3D shoulders. Get ready to stand tall with confidence as you sculpt a well-rounded, impressive physique. Now let's discuss creating a shoulder workout routine. Now that we've covered 3 key exercises to target different areas of the shoulders, it's time to put them together into a cohesive workout routine. Here's how you can structure your shoulder workouts for optimal results. Exercise selection. Start your workout with compound movements like the barbell overhead press to target multiple shoulder muscles simultaneously. Follow this with isolation exercises like lateral raises and bent-over rear delt raises to focus on specific areas of the shoulders. Set and rep scheme. Aim for 3-4 sets of each exercise with 8-12 reps per set for hypertrophy, muscle growth. Adjust the weight to ensure that you reach muscle fatigue within the desired rep range. Rest between sets. Allow 60-90 seconds of rest between sets to recover adequately while maintaining intensity throughout the workout. Frequency. Train your shoulders 2-3 times per week, allowing at least 48 hours of rest between workouts to promote muscle recovery and growth. Warm up and cool down. Begin your shoulder workouts with a dynamic warm-up to increase blood flow and prepare the muscles for exercise. Finish with static stretches to improve flexibility and reduce post-workout soreness. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the intensity and volume based on your fitness level and recovery capacity. Consistency and progressive overload are key to building wide 3D shoulders over time. So design your shoulder workout routine, hit the gym with determination, and watch your shoulder gains soar. Next, let's discuss nutrition and supplementation for shoulder growth. Building impressive shoulders goes beyond just hitting the gym. It also involves proper nutrition and supplementation to support muscle growth and recovery. Here are some key nutrition tips to help you achieve those wide 3D shoulders. 1. Protein intake. Ensure you're consuming enough protein to support muscle repair and growth. Aim for 0.81 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily, sourced from lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, and plant-based sources like tofu and lentils. Micronutrients. Don't overlook the importance of micronutrients like vitamins and minerals in supporting overall health and muscle function. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts in your diet to provide essential vitamins and minerals. Hydration. Stay hydrated to support optimal muscle function and performance during workouts. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before and after exercise. Supplements. Consider adding supplements like whey protein, creatine, and branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, to your regimen to support muscle recovery and growth. However, remember that supplements should complement a balanced diet and training program, not replace them. By fueling your body with the right nutrients and supplements, you'll provide your muscles with the building blocks they need to grow and recover effectively. Pair this with a well-designed workout routine, and you'll be well on your way to achieving the wide 3D shoulders you desire. So, fuel up, train hard, and watch your shoulder gains flourish. Here are some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to fall into traps that can hinder your shoulder gains. Here are some common mistakes to watch out for and how to steer clear of them. Overtraining. Resist the urge to train your shoulders too frequently or with excessive volume. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and increased risk of injury. Stick to a balanced workout schedule with adequate rest days. Poor form. Using improper form during exercises can shift the focus away from your shoulders and increase the risk of injury. Prioritize quality over quantity and always maintain proper technique, even if it means using lighter weights. Neglecting rear delts. Many people focus solely on the front and side delts, neglecting the rear delts. This imbalance can lead to poor posture and shoulder injuries. Be sure to include exercises like bent-over rear delt raises to target this important muscle group. Ignoring recovery. Muscles grow and repair during periods of rest, not just during workouts. Ensure you're giving your shoulders adequate time to recover between sessions by incorporating rest days and practicing proper post-workout recovery techniques like stretching and foam rolling. By being mindful of these common mistakes and taking proactive steps to avoid them, you'll set yourself up for success in your shoulder training journey. Remember, consistency and patience are key, so stay focused on your goals and prioritize safe, effective training practices. Next, let's discuss advanced training techniques. Ready to take your shoulder workouts to the next level? Incorporating advanced training techniques can help you break through plateaus and stimulate new muscle growth. Here are some effective methods to try. Drop sets. Start with a heavy weight and perform a set to failure, then immediately reduce the weight and continue for another set. Drop sets increase muscle fatigue and stimulate greater muscle recruitment. Supersets. Pair 2 shoulder exercises together and perform them back-to-back with minimal rest in between. Supersets maximize time efficiency and pump more blood into the muscles for increased hypertrophy. Time under tension, QT. Focus on slowing down the eccentric, lowering phase of each repetition to increase time under tension. This technique increases muscle damage and promotes greater muscle growth. Progressive overload. Continuously challenge your muscles by gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. Progressive overload is essential for stimulating ongoing muscle growth and adaptation. Incorporate these advanced training techniques into your shoulder workouts gradually and strategically to avoid overtraining and injury. Experiment with different combinations and find what works best for your body and goals. With dedication and perseverance, you'll unlock new levels of strength and size in your shoulders, bringing you closer to achieving that wide 3D look you desire. In conclusion, building wide 3D shoulders requires a combination of targeted exercises, proper nutrition, and smart training strategies. By incorporating exercises like the barbell overhead press, lateral raises, and bent-over rear delt raises into your routine, along with a balanced diet and adequate rest, you can achieve impressive shoulder development. Remember to focus on form, stay consistent, and be patient with your progress. With dedication and effort, you'll sculpt the shoulders you've always wanted. So lace up your gym shoes, grab those weights, and embark on your journey to broader, more defined shoulders today.